Hi guys, today we've got some friends here and you can spin the wheel.
Yeah, we're going to play the spinning wheel game. What's your name?
Yes, Cassie.
Yeah, and what's your name?
Katie.
Yeah, are you ready? Okay, spin the wheel. What will we get? PVA glue. One for you, one for Angel.
I'll have it open.
And then one for you.
I
Do you
can't.
want me to open
Oh.
it? But
It's very hard.
Do it this way.
Yeah, take the lid off. There you
Do it
go.
that way.
Ready, pour it in. Oh, that is a lot of glue. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, then pour it in then. Wow. How much are you going to put in?
Right.
Lots. How much are you putting in?
Yours.
Oh,
Do you want to put more in?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at Angel. She's putting every bit in. Oh. Oh. That is a lot. That is a real lot. Okay,
And the
Angel.
bubbles.
Do you want more? Or is that
Yeah.
enough? More? Look at Angel's put every bit in. Look at Angel's. Oh, Angel, that is so much.
I don't know.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't got enough.
Are you putting it all in? Uh-oh.
Let's empty.
You guys have gone crazy.
And me.
And you, yeah, you've all gone crazy. Look how much glue you've got. Right. Are you going to spin the wheel again?
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you.
Let's see what we get.
Hope we get the
Foam.
Yes.
Yeah. Did you want shaving foam?
Yeah.
Okay. Angel, just remember though, don't put too much in because your bowl's really full already.
It
Can
can't
you
come.
open it?
Do you want to put more in?
Yeah.
Here, let me open that for you, Angel. Ready? Go. Ah! How much you put in, Angel? Oh, that's enough. Your turn. I better get a cloth to clean your hands. Oh, there you go.
You can't see.
Yeah. Whoa, that's loads of slime in that one.
Can I mix it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mix, mix, mix.
I'll hit now.
It's good.
How did I get there?
What is it? Uh-oh, Angel spilt some on the table.
Doesn't matter.
Give it a really good mix. Oh, good job. Good job. Should we spin the wheel again, Angel, and see if we
Yeah.
can get some colour? Go on then. Ready? Spin the wheel.
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay! Got activator. That's just what we needed.
But I don't.
Yeah.
I'm not going to put activation in.
You can't cheat. You have to do what you've done on there. You've got activator. That's enough. That's
What
enough.
is it?
Ooh, don't need too much of that one. Ooh, yeah, mix it up. That's what makes the slime look. Watch. Watch, it'll turn
And to
into
put
slime.
colour in and then activate.
Angel, what are you doing? She's cheating, look!
Oh,
You little cheater! Did you see her cheat? She put it on 2 pin.
Can you open it?
My dad.
Yeah. Do you want to put some colour in?
Yeah.
What colour do you want?
Pink.
Pink.
And it says glitter, so
There's
you're
some
allowed
pink for
glitter.
you.
Hey. It's cracked.
Oh. That's a good job. I've got
It's
there.
farting.
It's farting!
No, no more.
Oh, here, let's see if I can get some out for you. Ready? Try that one. Ah,
I got it out.
really? Oh, these are all
Mine
empty.
isn't.
Ready? Whoa, look at them colours in that one. Do you want some of this one?
Yeah.
Ready? Do you want to squeeze it?
Yeah.
I don't need
Well, there you go.
I'm on some of that one.
You want this one as well? You've got it all out. So you're making pink slime, Angel's making
Yellow.
egg slime or banana slime, and you're making, what should we call yours?
Banana.
You want yours to be called banana as well? I think it should be called unicorn slime.
Oh.
Yeah. Good job.
Look at mine.
Whoa, really good job. Right guys, do you want to put some glitter in?
Yeah.
Do you want glitter?
Ew.
Let's have a look. That's super sticky slime, that one.
Oh, mine is.
Can I put
Can you
that?
open the glitter?
Yeah.
Can I put that?
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Are you having gold slime, Angel? Do you want to open it?
Hiya.
That looks like candy floss.
It has.
There you go.
I'm gonna just pour the whole thing in.
Oh no, Angel, you can't put a full one in.
Small, look.
Oh, that was a lot.
Done.
Let's have a look. Shall I mix it a little bit?
Well, it looks like
You want me to open yours as well?
it looks like star slime.
Ooh, stardust.
Watch this. Ready? Woo! There's yours. Right, let's mix this up.
Hey, man.
She wants
The
this.
full thing.
Oh.
You want that one?
Right. Angel, do you want me to mix yours?
No,
Can I
mine's
open
dirty.
it?
Yeah. Do you want me to open it for you? What colour do you want? There's
That
lots of
one.
colours. You want that one?
Yeah.
There's yours. Ready? Oh no! You put it on it! I know, Angel. Why don't we just go crazy and put all of them slimes into our things? Every one of them.
Yeah.
Shall we?
No,
Okay.
It's a bit hard.
There's another one. Look at this one. Whoa!
Oh, that will be
you want a red?
so pretty.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
Can you
Ready?
open?
Put a red one in. Oh! Look at that!
Wowee.
Let's run.
Do you want another one?
Yeah.
I do. I do.
So much glitter in there.
Yeah, if you let them all mix on the top like that, if you leave them on the top, we can mix them all together in a
Well,
minute.
I already mixed. Mine isn't.
Whoa, that's a nice pattern,
It feels weird.
isn't it? What about a black?
No.
No?
No black. Oh, Angel wants black.
Oh,
Ooh, nice.
what about a green?
Yeah.
Look at that now, look at the top of that one. Wow, look at the colours.
Oh, and I feel the same colour of hands.
Goldy colour.
She wants the same as Angel.
Yeah.
Really.
There's a blue for somebody.
That looks really
Need some help?
Yeah.
Another one for Angel.
Yeah.
Angel, look at your friend's slime.
Whoa.
Look.
Let's have a look. Wow. Such a good job. There's a purple.
Mine's changed in a
There's a blue.
Mine's changed in a different colour.
Yeah. Good job, guys. Uh-oh.
That's
Messy
a nice
time.
pattern.
Look at all these, Angel. Look at all these.
Whoa.
Look at all them. I can't believe we've used all those glitters. Can you?
That was so many. Wow, look at yours. That
Angel,
looks beautiful.
I think you should share that one, half each.
Okay.
I'm doing it yellow now.
Let's have a look. Wow, that is
We're doing it
slime.
yellow now.
Do you want to mix it?
Yeah, with
Do you
yellow.
want some?
Yeah, let's put some in yours as well. Everybody share. Wow.
Who's that?
This one's yours, look at that.
That was nice, Angel.
Let's have a bit of yellow.
Yeah, okay, go then. Bit of yellow in there.
It's farting.
It's farting.
Whoa.
Oh,
Well, Alex said.
it's pumpy slime.
Can
Need some help?
Look.
I have the towel?
Oh,
I need some help.
you need some help.
Vodka.
Let me open the lid for you. This has got glitter inside, you know. This is glitter paint.
Yours will be the most glittery.
Mine's really glittery.
Yeah.
So
Well done, Angel.
beautiful.
Ew!
Mine isn't even tiny.
Disgusting slime.
Mine isn't.
What?
Mine won't wet.
You haven't put an activator in?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah, have I put
Do you want me to mix it for you?
You know, at my house, Millie was real sick. Dad,
Oh,
come here.
that's a lot of paint.
Yeah. It's wet.
Got my mouth's full of fish.
Dad,
Full of glitter.
you know, I'll show you who rubbish.
Oh god.
Oh, Angel, what did you say?
Ew!
It's bogey slime. That's bogey slime, Angel.
That's
How much activator did you put in that
beautiful.
tub?
1 teaspoon. Do you want me to
The
put
little
more?
one. Okay. Put some drips in there.
Okay.
Oh, a bit more than that, Angel. Come on.
Can I borrow for you?
Yeah. Your slime's going to be amazing.
Whose?
She's got
Dad, Dad,
looks
you
so
know me,
pretty.
Katie and someone.
In real life,
You know me,
it's so
Katie
shivery.
and someone. Me, I got so much stuff. Dad, yuck, fat.
Okay.
Yuck. It's not real disgusting. Dad, you know, and someone here, them don't want this heart.
Angel, ready to see what it looks like, Angel? Ready?
Dad,
yo.
Dad, you know me, man. You got food stuff.
Do you want some of this?
Yeah.
To make it go, like, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
That's enough then, you don't need much of that one. Good,
Mix
clever
it.
girl.
That's good.
Dad.
We've mixed too
I
much.
know much
We've mixed too much in before and it goes like
Can I
What about this one?
clay.
This
Yeah,
one
do you want
is
some
good.
activator?
Yeah.
Well then, let me just swirl it back. Do you want to do it? Yeah.
Daddy.
Oh, go on, you need loads. You need loads.
That's
A lot of
it.
slime.
There's a lot there.
Oh, that's enough. That'll be enough.
Billy.
Yeah, let's have a look. Oh, now it's going like real slime. Do you know why I got you these tubs?
Yeah.
So you can take the slime home with you. You want to take the slime home?
Yeah.
Bit more for Angel. It's nearly time to mix it with your hands.
What time we mixing it with our hands?
Yeah, once it's all mixed up, we have to mix it with our hands. Oh, look at that. Is it still a little bit sticky? Okay, put a little bit of this on. Right, are you ready to mix it with your hands? Go on then, that's it. It is bogey slime, look. Yeah, that's it. Now mix it with your hands, like squeeze it together. Some more of this.
That's all over the table.
It's alright.
Yuck.
That's loads.
Daddy coming out.
Oh wow, look, it is bogey slime. Oh, look at that. Are you going to mix it with your hands?
Yeah.
Make it so it's not sticky anymore.
Dad, I need.
Is it real hard to pull apart?
Come on, super
Right.
muscles.
Use your muscles. Oh, there you go.
Yay!
Oh, Angel, look, it looks like a piece of skin. Look at that.
It's hard.
That is really good slime.
Angel said that we had to have firm.
Yeah, Angel likes foam in a slime.
She
Yeah,
does like
again.
firm in the slime.
Foam! Quick!
And it's
We're back on the foam.
Let's do it again.
my hands are so.
Glue! A bit.
I did more glue in. I slammed some.
And no more.
Ah, we're running out. What, this one? This one in there?
Just some in here. Why is this okay?
Ah. This is absolutely disgusting. What's this? Watch.
Angel, you know next week you can come.
Whoa, Angel, look at the slime. Look how big that one is.
Whoa.
It looks like a heart, doesn't it?
I can't even lift mine up.
Or a brain.
It looks like a brain slime.
Billy.
Whoa. That's it. Mix, mix, mix.
My hands are clean. My slime is so yellow. It's really yellow.
Ah! There's loads. So I took it out. Like
Firm.
foam again.
It's not me, Angel.
Got another top.
I've got an help.
PVA.
Angel, very naughty. I will put in a naughty.
Angel as well. Angel, she said she's going to put you on the naughty corner.
I'm going to put you in the naughty corner.
Uh-oh.
Then and we might put Angel in.
Angel, what do you think of that? Do you go on the naughty corner? No, you really well behaved.
Sometimes she does.
Really? No, you won't do anything wrong. I can tell you're a good girl.
Me.
This is
Yeah.
always naughty.
You.
Yeah.
Some,
You're maybe a little bit like Leah.
you know.
Got a lot of
You know
energy.
sometimes
Yeah?
I was really naughty.
Really?
I need fat.
This one? Oh!
What is it?
Do you know what that is? Jojo.
What is it?
She's called Jojo, the girl on
What
there.
is it inside?
It's shampoo.
Really?
You can make shampoo slime. Oh! Do you want some?
I want some too. I want some.
Everybody wants the shampoo slime?
Where's some food?
That's plenty.
I lost my phone there.
Plenty.
Does it smell nice? Are you usually smelling it then? It does smell.
Jelly slime now.
After that, I might put Angel and your woman on the naughty corner.
Who?
Yeah.
Angel! You really want to put Angel in the corner?
In your bedroom.
In my bedroom? Oh.
We're doing it after that.
Really?
I'm doing it now.
Oh no! Angel!
Come here. Come here.
Angel!
Come here.
Go on, Angel.
No, I'm not going on that.
That's the naughty corner there, look.
No, put Kid.
No.
That's the naughty corner there, look.
Yeah, but
Go on, put him on the naughty corner.
No, you.
On the naughty corner.
There you are.
Me?
Yeah.
You
Me?
not.
Me?
Sit right there.
Oh.
Sit down. Be very good.
Hey, this is a bit cheeky, putting me on the naughty corner.
Stay there for 100.
Look at this though, I've got your slime. If you don't let me off the naughty corner, I'm not going to give it back.
There you are.
Can I
You're
get...
being good.
Am I? Can I get off the naughty corner now?
No.
No!
No.
I've got to stay on the naughty
No,
corner.
going back.
Oh, Leo's back.
Hi.
Put him in the naughty corner. Yeah, put me in.
Leo, put Leo on the naughty corner.
Yeah, come here. You're being good.
You've got shaving foam on your head.
No. Come here.
Leo! Leo, she's put me on the naughty corner.
What are you being doing? Where are you being?
Can I get off now?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No?
No, you can't.
I took a naughty boy off.
Who do you think won?
Who's got the best slime?
Me.
You? I think everybody's is just as good.
Comment down below which slime is the best. The green slime, the light green, or the dark.
I need a shower.
Bye.